Hi nurses, having difficulty understanding normal breath sounds, so let us discuss about it. Basically, there are three type of normal breath sounds. One is bronchial, second one is bronchovesicular, and third one is vesicular. So let us see which one is where. So first of all, if we talk about bronchial sounds, the bronchial sounds could be heard over trachea. And if you talk about bronchovesicular sounds, the bronchovesicular sounds are heard over this area. Basically, this area is where the main bronchial tree is. And for the vesicular sounds, you can palpate all over the lungs because bronchial tree, alveoli, all over the lungs, you can hear vesicular sounds. And in comment section, you are going to tell me what are the abnormal lung sounds. Till then, keep on waiting for more informative videos from Navkiran. Keep rocking nurses, and I'll be coming again. Thank you.